Guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore my voice. It's on vacation. I hope it's like in Aruba or something enjoying the sunshine because I know I'm not here on this cloudy day. But I'm home for lunch and I checked the mail and thank goodness I did because BoxyCharm came in the mail and it's 3 days early and I'm so excited. Okay, excuse my voice. It's not even like, it's still got the tape on it. So let's open this bad boy up. Like, let's just jump right in. Here, I'll use my eyebrow razor. There we go. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't see... Okay, so there's no card in here. But, basically, this is BoxyCharm. It's $25 a month for the base box. Base box looks like this. You get 5 full-size products each month, I believe. And this is mine. So I would love to be able to tell you the prices of everything and how much total I got in the box, but I don't see a card in here, so we're just going to roll with it. The very first thing I pull out is this. It looks like a palette. It's got BoxyCharm on it. It says Hello Charmer on the back. And how do we open it? Oh, it's stuck in there. Good. So this is the Hello Charmer Boxy. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Do you see that shade? What color is it? Swipe Up, it's called. Oh, in this shade right here, fun size. Blue, purple, blue. Oh, yes. Oh, that baby's calling my name. It's like totally iridescent. Yes. That's fun size. This is Swipe Up. Can you see that? Oh, it's... Okay. Okay, so Swipe Up is like glitter. A glitter pigment or something. There's Swipe Up. I'm so excited. We're going to play with this in a minute. Actually, you know what? Screw it. We're going to do it now. There's a awesome mirror in here. So I totally am, I have this eye look on already, but what the heck? We're going to take some of this Swipe Up shade and we're going to tap it right on the lid. So pretty. All right. That's the shade Swipe Up. I can't do a full eye look with this because clearly I already have my makeup on for the day, but I'm excited to use this for tomorrow. Okay, so that's number 1. What else do we have in here? This is Kat Von D Signature Brow Precision Pencil in the shade Taupe. I'm trying to like rip the box. Okay. Clearly I'm super excited. Ooh. It's very thin. So it looks like this. Oh, a nice spoolie on one side. And oh, that's interesting. So, can you see this? It's like a flat tip. Look at how finely that draws. Okay. Let's add a little bit of this in our brows. Why not, right? This is like very fine. Very fine tip on this. It's almost creating a hair-like Like it's recreating the hairs on my brows, which is, it's awesome. I love that. This is great. I like this pencil. We're gonna add it to our brow stash. Okay, next thing I see in this box is this big white thing. Let's do it. We got the Murad Hydration. Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisturizing for Eyes. Okay. Looks like an eye cream. It seems to have a lot of information on the inside of the box. Like, a lot. There's, like, they did not waste any of the packaging in here. They've got writing all over this thing. Let's see what it says. Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture for Eyes. To use, it says it's step 3. And you're supposed to use it AM and PM. Gently pat around the eye area. A warning, avoid contact with eyes. Okay, looks like this. It's quite thick. Doesn't have a smell. Let's see what it feels like. Clearly I can't test this product out because I have makeup on. But it's very smooth, and it's not oily at all. It sinks right into the skin, which is nice. I like that. Okay. Does it have any claims? Oh, deeply quench the delicate eye area with the nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid, algae extract, seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restores smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. Good to know. Okay, so there's 3. And then the last 2 products in the box here are, we have a Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. It's a lip liner. And it is in the shade Charming. That's cute. Because we're charmers. Get it? So this is what the shade looks like. Oh, that's so smooth. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a brick reddish orange. And then last but not least, we have this looks fancy, right? Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick. Oh, can't take it off if there's... Oh gosh, where is it? Okay. Packaging's hard sometimes, guys. I can do this. There we go. What shade is this in? This doesn't have a shade on it. Stripped. It's in the shade Stripped. You know, those actually look like they would go together. It's kind of like a nudie brown bricky color. All right, so oh my gosh, what's in here? Do you see this? What's in my hair right now? Packaging. It collects everything, guys. The curls. So I just took my lipstick off, my lippies. I'm going to, oh, you know what? I just realized. That's weird. This Becca liner at the bottom here, it has this piece that pulls out. And it's a sharpener. But on the other side of the sharpener, it's like this little rubber piece. I'm assuming to smooth out the lip product on your lips, but I don't know. I don't know. But we're going to try out this lip product. So we're going to go in with the Becca liner. Oh, did you see that? I'm like the worst at lining my lips. Okay, so there's a lip liner. I'm kind of curious about this little thingy at the bottom here, so I'm gonna try it. What do we do? Oh yeah. Do you guys hold your breath when you're putting on your lip liner? I totally do. Okay, so that was interesting. So it just kind of dragged the color around on your lips so that you could like have a more blended look. Like you can, if I get close enough to this camera, oh, you can see every mistake I made. You can see that the inside of my lips don't have a whole lot of color on them, but it dragged the lip line down to blend with the lipstick better, I think. All right, so now we're gonna try the lipstick out. I'm gonna go back in with the blender thing at the bottom. So those colors blended nicely together. I like that. I'm gonna take the shade called Cup of Joe right here, and I'm just going to add a little bit of warmth and deepen up the outer of I don't know how I feel about that. I really need to try this palette by itself, but I'm too excited. Okay, I'm gonna take some more of that Swipe Up glitter shade. There's definitely fallout with this Swipe Up shade. I would definitely use a glitter glue next time. But for being home for lunch, not a bad makeup look. I'm also going to go into the shade Boxy and in the shade Pop Up, and I'm just going to mix the two and do a brow bone. That's the shade Pop Up right there on my nose. I love using the light, like glittery shades and palettes as highlights. So I'm going to go back in with the foundation. This is not a foundation brush. What is this? This is my highlighter brush. I don't know where it's from. I think it's Luxie. I don't know. I use it too much and oh yeah. This is a foundation brush. What? This is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation. No. I use it for highlight. So I'm going to take my highlighting brush and I'm going to go into the shade Pop Up. I'm just going to hit my cheekbones. That's pretty. The shade is like metallic almost. Like BoxyCharm, can you make a pop-up highlighter? I'm just staring at these two shades pop up in, full size right there in Charmer. I'm going to do a makeup look tomorrow with these two. Yeah, I am. That was everything in my box, guys. There's the empty box. Packaging all over the floor. I wish I could tell you about the products more. I wish I could tell you the prices and how much the box was worth, but I can't do that because I don't have a card for info. Sorry. Yeah, guys, so that's all for this video. Sorry there was no info card. I wish I had one. BoxyCharm, if you're watching, please send me an info card every month so that I can give my viewers a little glimpse on the pricing works of the box. And if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye guys. Love you.